Hello. So I went out to my hose to turn the water on, and look what I see on my tap. Just chilling right there, this cute little newborn baby lizard. And I've been noticing a lot of lizards have been attracted to my yard, and I try to make sure that my yard isn't being treated with pesticides and things like that. And so, I get a good balance of lots of spiders and insects and things, and also tons of lizards. And I didn't realize this, but not only am I getting lizards, but apparently the lizards are laying eggs, and those eggs are hatching because I have these little tiny miniature lizards everywhere. And so I guess they found a little haven to fill up my yard with these lizards, which I appreciate because these little guys eat mosquitoes and beetles and pretty much anything that moves that they could fit in their mouth, and they're everywhere. And this guy seems kind of friendly. I can get pretty close to him, it seems. I'm gonna see if he's okay with my finger near him. Yeah, he's like closing his eyes and relaxing like he's gonna fall asleep here. So I bet I could get this guy to rest on my finger. So I'm gonna condition him. I'm gonna put my hand near him. And that's actually a good way to scale his size, because I don't know if he's actually gonna get on, but you can see like he's as small as like the tip of my pinky. It's a very, very small little lizard. I don't know if I've ever seen one this small. Anyway, I'm gonna see if I can condition him. He doesn't seem to mind my finger. So let's see if I can get him to stand on my hand. He's so adorable. All right, yeah, as you can see, got him onto my fingers, kind of running around. Ignore my dirty fingernails. And he ran up my sleeve. And so here he is on my back. And I'm actually gonna go and get somebody from in the house to help me get this guy off. He's so little, I'm afraid I might accidentally squish him. Such a cute little lizard. Super friendly too. I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I'm hoping nobody ever hurts him. But I'm glad he feels safe. And it looks like he's starting to get a little... The dog's making him nervous. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video and move him to a safe place. Here he is on the wall on the edge of my yard. It feels like that's the safest place for him. If they feel scared, they can just go to the other side. Or in all the little cracks and stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a wonderful day.